Pues todo empezó cuando la vi pasar, compadre. Sentí algo tan bonito que no sé explicar. Y le dije, hola rancherita, ¿cómo estás? Y ella me contestó, no soy tan tonta para dejarme engañar.
Hello guys, in this video I will explain how to make the big head effect with Wondershare Filmora. This is Valia, and I am now part of the Filmora Certified Creative Program team. Find the link in the description box if you want to apply. Okay, let's start. First, drop or click on here to import your video. Drag it to the timeline and select the part where you will use the big head effect. Make sure to use a plain background when recording a video for this big head effect. As you have seen here before, this is the part I will select. I will crop the clip
with the same ratio, 16:9, but framing what I need.
Make sure to consider some space at the top of the video. Remember, this head will be bigger. So now it is easier to work. I muted the video because I use a voiceover. Now select the clip and with a right click, copy it and move the red pointer till the end of the video. You could also click anywhere to move it. Right click and paste. This indicates where the video will be pasted. Both parts are now selected. Make sure to select only the second video and place it over the old one. Perfect. Go to Effects and make sure the Include items are selected. Otherwise, it won't work when we type on the search bar. Type the word mask, select the image mask, and drag this effect to the clip that is on top of the other one. Click on this eye to hide the second clip. Click twice on the top video. The properties window of the video will show different options we could use to edit. We will use these transform tools later. Scroll down to the video effects. Here you can find other mask shapes. Scroll this bar and explore. We will use the oval. I invite you to check each tool. This moves the mask to the right and the left. This one up and down. These two modify the shape.
And the blur strength changes the blur of the outline.
I will start correcting the position of the mask.
A few moments later.
I am also hiding the dress or the parts that I don't need. Here is a tip. When recording your video, try not to move too much.
This will make the editing way faster.
Take your time to repair the details.
One eternity later.
It looks good enough, and the blur will make the image look smoother. Unhide the first video, scroll up and go back to the transform section. You can see the regular size now is 100%. So I will change it without exaggerating too much. 122% looks okay for me. You can move the image with the cursor, but it is not precise. So use the position tools to correct the head on the neck. review, check the result, and there is it. Another idea is to make this effect with the green screen. Just if you want to change the background, or if you want to clone the characters or place the big head effect to one of your old videos.
I hope you like this video. Share and comment if you know other ideas to make this effect work. Rancheritos, subscribe to see you soon.